we're going to have a look at one of the apps from the app catalog, one of the apps that we've requested for all students to download, and that's Showme. Now, Showme is an app designed to record pen strokes from an iPad screen. So let me launch Showme. And what we get is, as you can see, some Showmes that I've created previously around here. And then we've got a create new Showme right there. So let me tap on create new Showme, and what we get is effectively like a blank whiteboard. That's what it is. It's a blank whiteboard. And normally what you would use a whiteboard for, it would be for writing notes or providing explanations. And that's what we're going to do with Showme. However, as we write the notes or write the explanations, the Showme app will actually record you taking those notes and your voice as well. So in the end, when you play it back, you'll be able to see a replay of the writing down of the notes and the explanation. Now, in terms of a whiteboard, it's pretty much the same as any other whiteboard in a sense. You've got different textures or colors that you can put onto the whiteboard. You can erase stuff and so on. So, for example, up here are the colors. So I can start drawing using different colors, like so. As you can see, I'm a fantastic artist. And there we go, there's a picture. I've got an eraser over here, just there. I've tapped on that now, and I can start erasing bits as well. There we go, just erasing those little marks. Or if I want to erase the whole picture, I can tap on this button here, and as you can see, there are two options there: clear drawings or clear all. I'll explain clear all a bit later. Clear drawings only, and there I've got my blank whiteboard markers, my blank whiteboard screen. So here is the record button here. So if I tap on the record button, I can then write an explanation. So let me go through. Let's just say I'm doing a maths problem and I want to be able to explain it. So I'll press the record button and then I'll make my explanation. I'm going to show you how to expand a trinomial. So I've got 3x plus 2 here, and I'm going to multiply it by 2x minus 1. Okay, I'm going to use what's called a chicken beaking method, and I'm going to start by multiplying the first term by the other two terms in the other expression. So if I do that, I will get 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times minus 1 is minus 3x. Then I'm going to do it like an upside down chicken beak. 2 times 2x is positive 4x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. I've got two like terms here. So my last final answer is going to be 6x squared minus 3 plus 4 is positive 1x, so plus x minus 2, and that's my answer. So what I did then is, after I finished my solution, I tapped the pause button. The record button has now turned into a pause button, and then I have finished. Although if I wanted to add some more stuff, I could do. So I'll tap on Save Showme, and then I'll get this screen here. I'm going to show you how to expand a trinomial. And what it's doing is it's replaying the 2 here, and I'm going to multiply it by 2x minus 1. Okay, I'm going to use what's called a chicken beaking method. With it, I'll tap Save. Just call it basic trinomial expansion. Tap on Next. Give it a topic. In this case, it's maths. If I wanted to, I could call it algebra, and then I think I will just tap on done adding topics. And there it's done. Basic trinomial expansion. What it will do is it will then post it to the Showme website, which can then be accessed anywhere if there's an internet connection. So if I tap on manage, like so, I can now set the privacy of this. I can say I don't want this to be shared with the Showme community. I just want this to be private, like so. So I keep it to myself, and then no one can see it unless I give them a link to it. As you can see, there's also another option here at the top here called share. So if I tap on share, I can then share on one of the social media sites, or just as easily email this Showme. Up comes an email screen. I simply put in the person's address, or you could put in lots of addresses in here. And then that link, when they get it, that link will take them directly to that explanation that I've just filled in. Okay, so that's basically it. I'll just delete that draft. I'm not really going to send it. Not only can I create Showmes, but I can also explore Showme. So if there's a particular topic I want to look at, I certainly can do that. So, for example, if I wanted to know more about the water cycle, if I can get it spelt correctly, I'll simply type in water cycle, search for that, and it will give me a whole bunch of Showmes to do with the water cycle. So, there's only one there with a picture. I'm not too sure why the others don't have a picture. But here's one here we can just have a quick look at. And so it downloads it, and then you can view it.
Today we're going to look at the water cycle and what exactly it is. Now, water is very important on our planet, and the water cycle is the way that water moves around on the planet, ensuring that we've always got fresh water.
And so on, so you
So,
can watch the whole thing if you wanted to. So I'll just pause that. And again, if I found it useful, I could then tap on the share button and share it to someone, or I could press the heart there and make it a favorite, so I can always come back and look at it later. So I'll tap on done, and go back to, nope, that's it. So I'll tap on done, and then I'm ready to either go back to create a new Showme here, or simply look at my own Showmes, and so on. So that's it. Thanks for listening.